If you've been searching for the multiple income funnel review, you're in the right place. Multiple income funnel review, let's talk about what beginners must know before joining. Multiple income funnel is a beginner-friendly affiliate marketing system built around a simple idea. Plug into a pre-built funnel, promote one link, and earn from multiple income streams at once. Instead of building your own funnel, your own email follow-up, your own upsells, your own tech stack, MIF gives you done-for-you setup that's already connected to several affiliate programs. The promise is simple. We built the system. You focus on sending traffic. For beginners who feel overwhelmed by tech, funnels, autoresponders, and integrations, this is the main appeal. But to know whether it's worth joining, you need to understand what's inside, how the money flows, and what's required to work. Now, who it's really built for. Multiple income funnel is designed for a very specific type of person. Someone brand new to online business, someone who wants a simple plug-and-play system, someone who doesn't want to build funnels from scratch, someone who wants multiple income streams without managing multiple logins, someone who wants a clear, linear setup process. If you've already an advanced marketer with your own funnels, email sequences, and traffic systems, MIF may feel too restrictive. But if you're a beginner who wants a clear path, a simple setup, a single link to promote, and a system that handles the back end, then MIF fits that profile extremely well. How the system works step by step. Multiple income funnel is built around a guided setup process. When you log in, you're taken through a series of steps that connect each income stream. The flow looks like this. Join the system, set up your primary income stream, activate additional income streams, import your email follow-up, start sending traffic, let the funnel do the selling. The entire system is designed so a beginner can get everything connected in under an hour. Multiple income funnel review, the income streams are explained. This is the part most beginners misunderstand, so let's break it down clearly. MIF includes multiple income streams, which may include a primary affiliate program, additional tools or software, traffic packages, upsells, and monthly recurring offers. Each stream pays you separately, but the funnel promotes them automatically. This means you don't need to manually sell each product. You don't need to write your own follow-up emails. You don't need to build your own upsell sequence. You don't need to manage multiple funnels. The system is designed to create stacked commissions from one link. Multiple income funnel review is the real pros and cons. Give me a second. I'm going to fix that. Alright. Pros: beginner-friendly setup, done-for-you funnel, pre-written email follow-up, multiple income streams for one link, clear linear onboarding, traffic options included, low learning curves. Cons: you don't control the funnel. You rely on the system owner's decisions. Traffic is still required. Upsells can feel overwhelming. Not ideal for advanced marketers. Why you should join through me. Most people don't fail because the system is bad. They fail because they join someone who gives them a link, disappears, and leaves them to figure out everything alone. So I don't promote multiple income funnel. That's not how I operate. When you join through me, obviously not multiple income funnel, you're not just getting access to a funnel. You're getting a complete duplication ecosystem designed to help beginners win without confusion, overwhelm, or guesswork. A complete duplication system, funnel, scripts, emails, blogs, onboarding, content, and follow-up, all done for you and ready to plug in. A custom funnel for your primary business, not mine, not someone else's, yours. A 150 email autoresponder sequence, a long-term follow-up engine that builds trust and converts over time. You get support, accountability, and clarity every single week. We have daily coaching Monday through Friday. They will help you build your primary business, okay? So you get training, which is updated constantly, okay? My traffic rotator funded out of profit. You say only premium traffic to help you build early momentum. This is the only difference. No matter if you join the 10, the 25, or the 125, you get all these except for this. This is premium traffic I pay out of profit if you're at all three levels, okay? And it says $160 and you get $128 per person per month if everybody joins all three programs with you, okay? I take that 128 and I buy traffic for us over and over again. And then when somebody else joins, I buy even more traffic for us. And when somebody else joins, I buy even more traffic for us. Okay, does that make sense? Generational support. Everything I give you passes down to your team automatically. The safest, most honest sponsor you'll ever meet. No hype, no pressure, no disappearing, just real help and a clear path. If you want a sponsor who actually shows up, teaches you, and helps you build something that lasts, that's what we do. Multiple income funnel review, my final verdict, based on facts, not hype. Multiple income funnel is a solid beginner system for people who want a simple setup, a done-for-you funnel, multiple income streams, a guided onboarding process, a single link to promote. It removes the tech barriers that stop most beginners from ever launching. But here's the truth. Multiple income funnel is only half the equation. The funnel is done for you, but traffic is not. That's why pairing a done-for-you system with real education platform is the smartest move. For beginners to actually start, my recommendation. If you're a beginner who wants a simple system, a clear path, a supported community, training that actually teaches you traffic, a business model you control, then the smartest move is to start with the Home Business Academy. Join with me. You get step-by-step beginner training, a supportive community, a simple funnel builder, daily coaching, traffic strategies that actually work. And yes, you can still promote multiple income funnel if you want, but now you're doing it with skills, not get desk work. Multiple income funnel review, standard CTA. If you're ready to build a real online business with training, support, and a simple path forward, start here. Click on this link, right? Okay. So, and when you're ready to publish, you see this is over 78. I'm going to hit publish, right? Post published. All you're going to do is view post, but I'm going to add one more thing to it real quick while we're live so you can see how easy it is. So when you go to this rank method, it actually tells you what is actually wrong. Okay, this X, right? These right here, these things right here. Add an image. We're going to do that right now, okay? So tap to choose a block. We're going to do an image, okay? We're going to upload from media library and watch our rank go from 78, right? We're going to select this. We already put the information in, right? And look, it just went to 81. Save. All right, so now we're rocking and rolling, right? And so we go back to the post, right? Let's see if this works. John's size blog. This is covering everything I need. So give me a moment. I can't really see what I'm doing. Okay, so then we're going to go post, all posts, and then we're going to go to this one right here. It's already post. Okay, so published, right? And then we're going to go to view, okay? And there it is. And watch, we just put the image in there, somewhere in there. Why isn't it showing? Maybe we need to refresh, because I put the image in there. Maybe we need to update. So let's go back to the post. Okay, save. And now it should show. So let's go back to the multiple income funnel. Let's refresh. And there it is. There's the pick. Okay. So, and that's how you do it. Okay. So if you're interested in joining somebody who's going to actually help you and actually train you on the advanced stuff you need to do, and so get to a page like this, right? This is how cool this is, okay? This is an additional income stream. The first step is to schedule a coaching call with our team leader. So what you go do is right here, pick a date and a time. This guy's going to help you set up your system and make sure you're good, okay? And if you want to watch a previous Sunday live meeting, you can go here for the playlist, right? And if you want to get live coaching schedule from a top 6 proven earner in multiple income streams, okay, you meet him at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. If you don't know what mountain that is, you get the time zone conversion. You show up, you enter the training room, and this guy will help you. And all the training you need to do, including ranking your posts on every time on YouTube or even Google, it's hard to rank on Google, but I've ranked multiple things on Google, including my own posts on social media, okay? But every single time I do a long form video like this, it ranks on YouTube, okay? On the first page of YouTube, okay? That's part of the training you get here. This is the real gold, okay? We don't just give you these bonuses and this training. Your people get that, and your people's people get it. That's how you build real team, extra income streams and build long-term wealth, okay? We pay residually automatically. Once you set up once, you get paid right to your straight to your bank account, and you can build any business with this. We help you build any business. This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood solid man. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.